Welcome to Asanopas Farm. If you have ever dreamed of starting a poultry farm or growing a small idea into something bigger, you are in the right place. Subscribe, join us as we build our poultry farm. Every journey has a beginning, and ours started with just 7 chickens. We didn't buy them just to start a poultry farm. We simply wanted to raise a few chickens for Christmas, so our family could enjoy fresh home-raised chickens. So not long after we got them, I was posted to a job away from home. Before I left, I asked my wife to take care of the chickens while I'm gone. When I finally returned home, I was surprised by what I found. My wife had done an amazing job. She had not only taken good care of the 7 chickens, but she has also developed a real passion for poultry farming. She believed we could do much more, so she took a bold step to invest in 50 brown layers chicken. That moment changed everything for us. What just started a few chicken for Christmas suddenly became a dream. We realized that poultry farming wasn't just about raising chickens. It was an opportunity to build something meaningful for our family and create other source of income. From that day on, we decided to take the journey seriously. We knew it won't always be easy. There will be challenges, mistakes, and lessons to learn along the way, but we want to share every step of our journey with you. The success, the failure, and everything in between. So welcome to Asanopas Farm. If you want to follow my journey from a small chicken coop to a successful poultry farm, subscribe and turn on the notification. See you in the next video.